Hey everyone, so today we are doing a very exciting video. You know, I have just been feeling super bland lately. I'm sitting here, I'm wearing my own stained merch. Yes, it has stains all over it. I painted in it yesterday, and I just feel like I need a makeover, but I almost feel like I need more than a I'm also sick. That's something also. So I'm just feeling in desperate need of a makeover, and I don't know what better makeover I could offer myself right now other than a Claire's makeover. In here there is so many products. I haven't been in Claire's since I was probably 10 years old, and going in there was like a whirlwind of just like, I remember why I was so into this stuff because it just like, I basically started off where I ended off, so I'm obsessed. So if you guys don't know what Claire's is, firstly, I'm surprised if you don't, but I will get into it a little bit because you know I love rambling and you know I love talking. So basically, Claire's is a clothing store. No, it's not. First point is wrong. Claire's is a jewelry, accessory, hair accessory, eye accessory, basically every accessory you've ever wanted. And picture a rainbow unicorn throwing up all over it. I'm talking some JoJo Siwa stuff. Actually, I'm pretty sure Claire sells JoJo Siwa's bows. I don't think I bought any, but I might have. I'm not sure. So this is what the inside of the bag looks like. As you can see, many different colors. Many colors that honestly I want to be covered in. So basically today, I'm not feeling 100%. I'm a little bit sick. I've been painting for the last 2 days, and I'm ready to get a makeover. And I think the first thing we have to do is we have to change this stained top. So I'm just really gonna quickly I'm just gonna throw on this very Claire's-esque dress just so that we can get kind of in the mood. So one second. All right, there we go. I honestly don't know if I went very Claire's or if I just went full-on clown. Should I do this top button up? Is that too much? Does that take it to a whole new level of clown? What about if I pop the collar? Is that too much? What am I doing? All right, I'm gonna dump everything out so I can see it on the table. I think I spent like $155, which is quite a lot, but Claire's always does this like buy 3, get 3 free. So that happened. I don't know. I wasn't following it very much. I was just grabbing everything I wanted. Oh my gosh, like look at all of these things. There's just so much stuff. And I just feel like all this stuff, when I was like 10 years old, you would have been like the coolest person in your class if you had this. All right, I almost feel like the first thing I should get into is the makeup. Now, I do want to say Claire's had this huge like big thing go on where they found asbestos in Claire's makeup. I am literally hoping so hard that they figured that out, not for my sake, but for like children that actually are using Claire's makeup like to this day. So I don't know that for a fact. I am going to be risking my own eyes, but make sure if you're a mom or if you're a kid wanting to get makeup from Claire's, make sure to look into that and make sure that they have in fact fixed that, because that is like so bad. So bad. Absolutely not. You should never find asbestos in anything, let alone something that will be around a child. That being said, I'm gonna go ahead and put some of their makeup on my eyes. Okay, so here is the eyeshadow palette I decided to pick up. This is the Claire's Eye Glitter, and one thing I remember from these when I was a kid is like the top of it is glitter and then underneath of it is just some weird like slippery gel. So I'm gonna see if they've improved their formula. How much was this? This was $4 Canadian. So I think in the spirit of throwing it back, I'm gonna use this little sponge applicator. I'm very curious though to see if this is still the same sort of idea. So I'm gonna dip in. Let's see, I've got the glitter for the first bit. Oh my gosh, it's actually kind of like a cream, and it seems like there's glitter the rest of the way down. All right. I want you guys to see because there is in fact hollow sparkles in there. Also ignore my nails. I have been painting and I wanted to paint over them so that they would look good from far away. I didn't think I would be that close to the camera during this. Oh yeah, and I forgot to mention JennaMarbles did in fact do this, and that is what inspired this video. I just see her having a bunch of fun and I too want to have fun. So okay, I'm gonna take this lavender color on my little sponge. I'm just gonna dig in there. Oh wait, this one doesn't really have sparkles throughout. Okay, well, I'm just going to put that on my eyelid. A really nice frosty color. Is this removing I had concealer on my eyelids. Is it removing it? Is it doing anything? Okay, there's no sparkles in here. What? This is actually a memory though, that after you use the palette, it just looks absolutely destroyed. I used this palette for like a minute and it looks like I've used it my whole life. Okay, but then I went ahead and got these skin gems, and I was actually looking for some of these, and sure enough, they were at Claire's. So for a past video when I needed these, I could have just went to Claire's, but there's this new makeup look that everybody's doing where they have like a gem, a gem, a gem, 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 gem. So I'm gonna do that with this. I don't know how Claire's-esque that is, but I think it'll be super fun, and maybe it will elevate my look a little bit. Is this one of those like talent required makeup ideas? Oh my gosh, I'm the worst at this. Come on, Mia, you can do this. Get this jewel on your face. Oh yeah, it's there. All right, 11 more. Who knew one jewel could make me feel so powerful? Imagine what 12 will do. Not to be dramatic, but like the first person to ever do this look deserves an award of some sort because this is so cute. Okay, now I have to do the other eye. Oops, I'm sticking everything in my eyelash glue. Oops. If I can somehow pick it up on the back. How long has this been, by the way? Oh my gosh, it's been 25 minutes of me doing this. Wow. Wow. All right, honestly, 5 years later, but look. Why does it feel so worth it? That literally took me 30 minutes to get those gems on my eyes. I love those. So far, loving that. Also, I didn't even realize, but I should totally be wearing one of these. I got these little hair bands. Now, these would be perfect for when you're like washing your face, and I've actually seen a lot of Instagram makeup people using these, so and also initiate giant baby mode. It's got a little thing up here. Also, I'm covering my ears, so if it starts to get louder, it's because I'm yelling because I can't hear myself anymore. I just like saw myself in the viewfinder for a second. I'm just like, girl, what? Anyways, I think the next thing I'm gonna try is this Claire's $7 curling mascara. Now, this led me to believe that it's pink. I hope so badly that it is pink. If it's not pink, funny story for you guys, actually. The first time I ever wore mascara, it actually was colored mascara. It was from Arbonne, I think. And my mom, I came down the stairs, I was in grade 4. Now keep in mind, I didn't wear makeup till grade 8, but I had just dabbled in mascara in grade 4 just for like a day, literally. And I came down the stairs, my mom was like, what is that? And I was just like, it's nothing, like it's just my lashes, they just look extra full today. And she she made me go wash my face. So yeah, that had nothing to do with anything, but basically this wasn't pink, so I'm not reviewing it. Okay, but Claire's actually had some good looking eyelashes. So these are the Allure Cosmetic London. These are the volume lashes. I thought that they would be good with this glitzy eye makeup. I think I might cut these and apply them. So let's see what we can do with these. This is nice. Good eyelashes. Oh, I like when they come with one of these. These are helpful tools. Beep, beep. Oh my gosh, look how much my thing is creasing. Is it on? Did I do it? I don't really know which eye looks better, this one or this one, but I'm gonna do the same thing to the other side just to even it out. All right, I think that's pretty good for the lashes. I'm looking back at myself. I'm starting to feel a little bit better based on my makeover. But I do think I need to dive into this 4-pack lip balm set and tin box. Now, I would have loved this, rolling up to school with this little tin box, or like pulling that out of my desk and having all these cute little lip balms. Oh my gosh, look how cute this is. Like, this is so cute. Okay, let me smell these. So apparently this one is raspberry. I love this. Okay, now that my makeup is completed, I'm gonna pull that off. I can hear clearly. I actually really do like these. I got 2 of them. I actually got 3. I gave my mom one, but this is actually really nice for when you're washing your face because it holds all your hair back and everything. I feel like my next order of business is my hair. So I have been dying to dive into these 4-piece faux hair extensions. This was $24 Canadian, and I'm very curious to get these back on my head because seriously, I wasn't avid. I've never wore like actual hair extensions in my life that like makes your hair look thicker, but I have dabbled in the colored hair extensions just for fun, like peeking out. Oh my goodness, look at that. So nice and long. Because I wanted to hide. Like, we want to be subtle. How's it look? What do you think? Am I feeling better, you may be asking yourself? Yes. Oh my gosh, I feel like that's good. No! Oh my gosh. No, I swear it's my real hair. Ah! Oh my goodness, I feel like I have to get my necklace on now because if I don't get it on now, my hair is gonna get too big and then I feel like I'm not gonna be able to get it on. So I got this colored choker. It's cute. I used to wear these a lot when I was little. Not with these little pendants though. That's a little edgy. So I'm just gonna try and get this over my head. Oh my, it wants to take my hair with it. Okay, and now along the same lines of hair, I want to figure out where to put these. Whoa, okay, these. Here we go. Maybe like if I did... Okay, that's not very cute. Is that cute? No, but are we gonna do it? Probably. I'm getting into that mood of like, do I need to wear everything that I bought? Because like maybe that's a little unreasonable at this point to think that I can do that. But I'm like trying to do that. So I'm just gonna put this behind my ears for now because I want to stick these stickers on my nails. Look at these. First of all, love the hollow packaging, and these look like they'll be very fun to stick all over my nails. My boring nails right now. So let's see. All right. What do you guys think? I feel like I'm going crazy. So these are stick-on earrings. Now, if you were graced with the happiness of playing with these as a kid, you understand how like coveted these were. Like I absolutely loved my stick-on earrings. They weren't like a one-day thing. They were like once I've done using them, I would just stick them back on here and use them the next day. Oh my gosh, I do not know which ones to use. I also have these little donut earrings. These are clip-on ones, so I feel like I can stick these wherever I want. I'm really feeling these like butterfly ones. I swear I would use these until they literally would not stick on anything. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Like what a cute concept. There's my donut. Oh my gosh, I'm feeling strange. All right, now my wrists are feeling super bare, so I have a bunch of bracelets, one being one of these like snap ones, and this is very useful for back to school. It's actually a ruler. So mommy's just getting ready. This is definitely where I'm gonna become the too much because I can feel myself just not stopping. But anyways, 1 bracelet, 2 bracelet, 3 bracelet, 4, 5 bracelet, 6 bracelet, 7 bracelet, 8. Do I think I need glasses? I love how everything kind of goes together, even though it's not all sold together. It's just like, you know that you can mix and match it all together. Got the rings on. You guys, I'm actually starting to feel like I can't breathe because I have so much stuff on. Like I don't usually wear any accessories, and now it feels like I'm just wearing all the accessories. There you go. Like that. It's just perfectly right there. Okay, and this actually might be the last thing, but I have a little phone case. It's actually like a camera. Oh my gosh, I don't even know what phone I have. Look, it doesn't even fit. Oh my gosh, I'm so stupid. I even specifically held my phone up to it in the store. But okay, here's my phone. My rings are flying off. You see this in public, you running. Honestly, you see this at the mall, what are you gonna do? What is it? Hello? That was good enough. That was a good enough meme. Good job, Mia. Honestly, huge shout out to people who wear just like a lot of accessories just in general, because I can't. I realized, you know that like commercial that's like, you're not you when you're hungry. Well, I'm not me if I'm wearing a lot of accessories because I just can't move. Just in case I have to answer the phone. Hello? I honestly don't exactly know what the point of this video was. I just know that I really was inspired by Jenna's video when she did this. I just thought it was so fun. I loved seeing all the color. And I actually thought she looked pretty good at the end. I don't think I look pretty good. But I do think, like, I look like I could keep a conversation going on my own by myself. A conversation with just one person. But yeah, okay, so here is my Claire's makeover. I honestly don't know what the point of this video was. I feel like I was just feeling kind of sick and I was a little bit tired and I just wanted to boost everything with a little Claire's makeover. And honestly, it worked. I'm feeling better. I may have cured myself with this makeover. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this nonsense. If you guys enjoyed and would like to see more, I'm all over the map. A lot of people say you never know what you're gonna get from videos. Well, I never know what I'm gonna film. Like, honestly, it's whatever I'm feeling like, and today I guess it was a Claire's makeover. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye!